taken over to our wagon.
So we're here at Bar T5. It's a Chuck Wagon Dinner, and we're getting ready to get on to these cover wagons and go to dinner. So should be a good night. Weather's holding out for us. It stopped raining, so pretty cool little adventure.
Crazy, but it's stormy.
Fun names. Some other fun names we have is we have Lightning and McQueen. Maverick, move, step up.
Come out, folks. Wide on the gate, Mallory. Wide on the gate. Step on your toe. Yeah, keep your character. So a lot of fun in store. Good to have you out. You picked a great night to come out.
We've got a horse named. Oh, looks like we have trouble up here. Hey now. These are all. What are you doing here? Get out! I'm not as clean as you think she is, folks. Come on. When we get hired on here, they teach us. Good to hear.
Ooh, heaters. All right.
This for you. Oh, yes. Higher the berry tree. That's sweet. And up there's making a pretty face, making warbird. And then it's settled again. I wear a free.
You'll notice.
This is God's country.
Look at the mountains there. Got some new snow.
Out the front here, you'll get a really pretty view of the Tetons.
Yeah, you go.
Tanks full where he's empty, living life.